Hi, welcome again to our garage. Flat tire. Well, we have to remove this flat tire from this motorcycle. Well, to remove a flat tire is actually very easy, but you better get yourself prepared with this kind of tools. You're gonna need these two kind of hex keys. This one and this one. And never underestimate with small things like this, because these hex keys will help you a lot to remove this flat tire. These are hex keys or hexagonal keys. Yeah, this is a 12mm hexagonal key or hex key. These are the tools that we are gonna need. 12mm hexagonal key, and the other one is 6mm hexagonal key. Alright, and you have to lift up the motorbike. Okay, let's get started. Okay, just make sure the front wheel off the ground by placing this jack just underneath of this motorcycle. Well, actually you can use the front wheel paddock as well, but if you don't have it, you can just use this kind of jack. Alright, as you can see here. Well, yeah, and to make it more stable, just insert small piece of wood in between of this jack and the lower structure of the motorbike. Okay, alright, hold the tire like this and yeah, okay, and alright, you just loosen it a little bit. You don't have to do it quite hard. Okay, and you see, to remove the front wheel, it means that you have to pull the axle rod out. You can use this hex key, turn it like this, all the way till you are able to pull out the axle rod. Okay. Alright, make sure that the motorcycle is stable. Safety first. Here you are. You can see that we are pulling the axle rod that way. And then we have to hold the front wheel. Okay, get that, get that. We are pulling the axle out. You see? Alright. Okay. Then handle it with care. We are trying to remove it from the caliper, with the brake caliper. Alright. So just bring this flat tire to the shop. But be careful. When you bring this flat tire back and forth to the shop, make sure that you don't make any bend to this rotor. Okay? Yes, as simple as that.